It's just a brand new company that's coming out, and like what they're doing is they're finding different ways of roasting it using like medium kind of roasted kind of coffee. So Pete's is all about dark roasts.
Right.
So what they're doing is that they're expanding like different horizons on like not so dark, keeping that same kind of flavor.
So this is like a coffee you buy where?
They're based out of San Francisco, but they got a couple of places that sells it.
So
That like little cafe shops that sell.
right. So it's like an independent store would buy it, and
But they send out people to actually train the baristas because it's like phenomenal coffee that they don't want just anybody
they
selling
don't want you jacking it up,
Yeah.
turn it into Starbucks.
So,
That's
but
cool.
I mean, it's like it rivals Pete's. And
Really?
and it's not even dark roasted.
It's a tall order.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
And it's a small company.
Really. And that's our coffee tips with Ethan.